Hello, and today I'm going to do a review on the Holy Stone Axis Gyro Helicopter Mini Drone. Here we have the box, we have the drone, we have the remote controller, and we also have the bag that have a few items in it. It comes with extra blades, it comes with 3 batteries, and it comes with 2 USB cords where you can charge the batteries. Alright, so we already have the drone powered on, and we also have the remote control powered on. So we're going to turn the drone on, press the button, show it. And the cool thing I like about the drone is it can stay there pretty steady. It doesn't move to the left or the right too much, and you can configure the drone where it won't be able to do that. And another neat thing about this drone is it can do a 360 backflip, which I'll show right now, which I think that's pretty neat. I'm going to show you again. That's pretty neat. Move it up some. Move it forward, backward, to the right, to the left. So I'm going to bring it back to the table, land it. And that is the Holy drone, the Holy Stone Mini Drone. Now I do like this drone because it's pretty simple, and if you're a beginner like me and can't maneuver the drone too much, then this is a good beginner drone where you can start off before you can advance to a bigger drone. But I would definitely give this drone a thumbs up for beginners, and it's a good thing for teenagers to have something fun to play with. Alright, that's it. Thank you.
Bye.